Afternoon folks, dog walk with you. Out with the loony Benji. We're in the lodge field at Ironbridge, Telford. Very squidgy underfoot, and as you can tell by the state of him, look. Mind you, thank goodness most of it's water. So yeah, like I said, we're in Lodgefield, one of the local nature reserves. Nobody about at the moment. Looking over towards the power station. Benford Edge. Broseley over in the distance. And in the foreground just here, these houses are Odgebower. We're walking up towards Lincoln Hill. And up on top of the bank there is the old lodge house. And you can't see it, but over that direction is the old mine shaft. I think it was a coal mine shaft, but not 100% sure. I don't think there's a lot known about it, to be honest. But the big house up on the hill there, the lodge house, is split up in 2 or 3 houses, I think. I have videoed over here before, and said the same things most probably. But we was up here today anyway, like I said, because I'm just out with Benji. Diane didn't want to come today, so she stopped in. So just wanted to know if any of you locals know what the big dips are up the top here. Let's just walk across. See, as you can see here, there's a big dip with a bit of a groove that goes through. Let's just walk through it. Gonna get my feet wet, but hey oh, who cares? Right, go on Bench. Go on. Let's go through the long grass, hopefully clean him off a bit. Go on mate. Go on. You see what I mean? There's a groove all the way along here. Never noticed these before. Someone been digging. Like I say, there's a bit of an embankment on each side, as you can see. Then there's a big groove that we're walking up. Someone or something has been digging again. The same there. Never noticed them before. Whether it's a recent thing or it's been there a while. But see what I mean, look folks. Right, that's where the groove finishes. So that's it, look. Right, and I notice here there's a big dip here as well, over that direction, more or less below the house. So if anybody's got any information, please let us know. Just intrigued, you know, as you do. And if we go across here, you can see the dip. That's where we just walked through, and it's quite a big dip. So, like I said, most probably something to do with the mines, but not 100% sure. But like I said, this side here, this is all quite a big dip here. The lane up to the house runs up that direction, from there up, and over the back behind that biggest tree there's another nature reserve, which is the Beaches Field, now which I know part of was Woodlands Brick and Tile Works. Again, I've videoed down there before, but in the past when I've videoed up here, I've just walked around the field basically. But as you can see, like I say, it's a fair sized dip and groove across there. So just interested anyway. I'll have a look on the internet, see if I can find anything. But be nice if some of the locals or anybody who's into mining or anything can come up with any suggestions or actual facts. But I was wondering if there's some connection where the lane where the lane is up that direction. Like I say, I wonder if there was any connection to here or something, you know, like the lane diverted down into this field where we are now. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure what the mine was here. So anyone with any information, please, like I keep saying, get in touch. Let us know. Intrigued. Don't know if the camera shows it very well, but you can see there's quite a big dip here. Anyway, just a short video this is, folks. Let me just, before I go, let me just zoom in on the house a bit if I can. Right, there we go. Right. Okay. If you get a chance, come and have a walk around here. Have a look for yourself. Nice area. We're going to go that way where Benji is over there, and that leads us out onto Lincoln Hill and then Beach Road, and we're going to head towards home. So that's it then, folks. I'll say bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you again soon, folks. Bye for now.